Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to recover permanently deleted contacts on itel mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on settings right here. The next thing you need to do is simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for Google right here. So click on Google. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Google account name right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and then make sure you look for search Google account. So click on search Google account and it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you look for contacts right here. Click on contacts. Then open accounts.google.com. Click on just once. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top side corner. Click on this three slider and it takes you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on trash. Then it takes you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply select the contact that you would like to recover. So for instance, I want to simply recover this contact right here. So I will simply click on deleted contact in Google account and it's open up like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on recover. And in a few seconds, one contact recover. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply recover permanently deleted contacts on itel mobile. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.